What even is Novo? Unveiling the financial app powerhouse. Ever feel like your bank is stuck in the dark ages? Paper statements, confusing fees, and an app that looks like it was designed for a flip phone? Yeah, we've all been there. That's where challenger banks like Novo come in. But with all these new financial apps popping up, what exactly does Novo do? Is it just another gimmick, or can it truly revolutionize your banking experience? Let's dive in. The problem: traditional banking blues. For many of us, traditional banks feel like a burden. They nickel and dime us with fees, make transferring money a hassle, and offer customer service that wouldn't impress a sloth on vacation. Plus, their clunky interfaces and lack of financial tools make managing your money feel like pulling teeth. Introducing Novo, banking designed for you, 0:45 to 1 o'clock. This is where Novo steps in. Founded in 2018, Novo is a mobile-first banking platform designed for freelancers, solopreneurs, and anyone who wants a smarter, simpler banking experience. Their motto? Banking built for humans. So, what makes Novo different? Let's break it down. Core features of Novo. Free banking, you heard that right, free. No monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, just straightforward banking without hidden costs. Seamless money management, Novo offers a beautiful, user-friendly mobile app that makes managing your finances a breeze. See your account balance at a glance, categorize transactions, and track spending by category. Budgeting just got a whole lot easier. Effortless bill pay, tired of juggling multiple bills and due dates? Novo lets you schedule and pay bills directly within the app, taking the stress out of keeping your finances organized. Instant transfers, need to send money to a friend or contractor quickly? No problem. Novo allows for instant transfers between Novo accounts, eliminating the waiting game. Integration with popular tools, connect your Novo account to popular accounting platforms and bookkeeping services, streamlining your financial workflow. Free debit card, get a sleek, secure debit card with no monthly fees. Novo even offers cashback rewards on certain purchases, more on that later. FDIC insured, your money is safe with Novo. They're FDIC insured, which means your funds are insured by the government for up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for most account types. Peace of mind, check. Going beyond the basics, perks and power UPS with Novo. Novo goes beyond just the core features. They offer some unique perks that set them apart. Novo Rewards, earn cash back on debit card purchases at select merchants. Every little bit helps. Invoicing and estimates, freelancers rejoice. Novo allows you to create and send invoices directly within the app, simplifying how you get paid. Coming soon, fractional shares investing. This feature may not be available yet, so check Novo's website for updates. Looking to dabble in investing? Novo is planning to offer fractional share investing, allowing you to invest in small portions of companies with your spare cash. Is Novo right for you? Here's who should consider it, 5 to 5:30. Novo is a great fit for freelancers and solopreneurs. The invoicing tools and seamless money management features make Novo a perfect partner for your independent hustle. Tech-savvy individuals, if you love a sleek mobile app and appreciate user-friendly interfaces, Novo will be right up your alley. Those tired of traditional banking fees, escape the fee trap. Novo's free banking model is a breath of fresh air for budget-conscious individuals. Things to consider before switching. While Novo has a lot to offer, it's important to consider a few things before switching. Limited features compared to traditional banks. Novo doesn't offer some features you might find at a traditional bank, like physical checks or safety deposit boxes. Newer player on the block. While FDIC insured, Novo is still a relatively new player in the banking scene. Some users might prefer the established track record of a traditional bank.